Okay, welcome to Trading Mastery Institute. Whatever that is being shared is of our opinion and not an advice for you to enter the market. So this is a sample of our premium lesson, which we will send out daily market analysis on a certain instrument. So this is the example. So yesterday we were doing a analyst at D1. So we are looking first for a direction. Okay, direction. So we see that it is bullish. Then we mark the area of interest or support or resistance. So this is where the price bounce. We are expecting a rejection over here, but it doesn't happen. It went down here. Okay, so it went down. It broke down here. So when we have some question as well. So when we see it is up, okay, you see that the candlestick is going up. It doesn't mean you just blindly do a buy. That is where we go to lower time frame to confirm that there is a structure shift or a strategy of Novak strategy that happened. So what we want to see is, okay, you can clearly see that it's going up. So what we want to see is that the price will is it still going up or is it doing a retracement? Okay, so if the price move up and we see that there is a break of resistance, so we are saying that in future the price will retrace. Okay, will retrace and it will move up. Okay, so when we see there is a break of resistance, we say that in future the price will retrace and move up. Okay, move up. Okay, so this is as such. So we do have some of our member yesterday who understand multiple time frame, 3 time frame. So what they do is before the price hit at this area, they know that they can actually do a sell whereby they make about 100 to 150 pips over here. Okay. So once the price reach at this area, we don't straight away buy at daily. We want to see what is happening over here. Okay, is there a rejection? Is there a strategy or a pattern that we can learn? So we want to see what happened actually over here. So we go to H1. So time frame, daily, and H1. Okay. So this price went up and then it went down. So it went over here. So we alerted all of you guys that okay, there is a rejection over here. So that is where some of you guys do a short selling somewhere here. Okay. And once the price hit at this area, at this H1 area, what we want to see is we want to see a strategy or the Novak system actually happen. So how does it happen? When the price hit here, what we want to see is a buy dot followed by a Novak flow and trend is in bullish. So this is an aggressive entry, which we do not have over here. We do not have it over here. The safest entry is for you to wait for an arrow to enter a buy. Okay, so that also doesn't present yesterday. We do not have a Novak trend and strategy, and we also do not have the arrow. So meaning for those who trade just using D1 and H1, you are intraday trader, you do not have an entry. Okay, that's okay because not every day you are able to trade if you are an intraday trader or a swing trader. So what do our team will do or our student will do? They will see over here at H1 as a price rejection at H1. So they will go to M5 or M15 to see what is happening over here. At H1 itself, you do not see any strategy. We are waiting for the SOP. Okay. So now we go to M5. Okay. What do we see at M5 yesterday? So this is today. So let me just see. Okay, let me just go back to here, H1. Okay, this is the level. Let me just make it here so it's easier for us to find. Okay, this is where it present. So at H1, we are waiting for Novak strategy and an arrow which doesn't appear. And as you can see, this level area of interest, there is a strong breakout. Okay, there is a strong breakout at this line. Or if you're not sure, just see at this buy dot over here. You just can just move here. Okay, because some of you guys may be saying that no, I'm not sure where to mark all this. Just use here. Okay, there's a buy dot, and then there is the nearest candle. And then what do you see over here? Okay, so actually at lower time frame, we see there is a break of structure. Okay, break of structure. So now no entry at H1. So now we have to trade as a scalper so that we can make some profits from the market. So what we see that the price went up above the line because there is a break of structure. This is the market open. This is the box, okay, showing that, okay, two market session is opening and there will be a lot of order coming in. So we see a direction going down, going down, going down. At the support, it breaks and then it gives us a sell, okay, candlestick above the line, a sell arrow, you do a sell, it went up and then it went down to about 70 over pips, okay. So we see there is even a stronger break over here. So we know that, okay, take a glance at H1, nothing is happening, no Novak buy dot, there is no arrow. So we wait for an arrow. So this arrow doesn't count because it have to hit this line or go above, and then there is an arrow. So here we see. So we do a sell, stop loss above the arrow, about 20 pips. It went down to about 40 pips, guys. Okay, so there is one entry, two entry, and it went up again over here. Okay, it went up again above the line or it touches, and then there's a arrow. Arrow candlestick below the line, you do another sell. Stop loss above the arrow, about 34 pips. Over here, it went down to about 87 pips. Okay, so that's how we do the scalping. Usually, we will take about 2 to 3 trades and we exit. That's it. Meaning our analysis for uh, the day doesn't turn out as what we plan. Okay, remember that we are trader. We are just looking for the footprint of the big boys. Are they going to do a buy or are they going to do a sell at area of interest? And what do? We just follow. Okay, we just follow because we can't move the market. Okay, so for today, so this is today. As you can see over here, it is Asia session. Okay, Sydney, and there is Sydney and Japan. Okay, over here, market is still on the sideway, meaning there's a lot of manipulation over here to get a lot of retail trader to have a liquidity or volume over here. So we look back at daily. Okay, we look at daily. So what does daily tell us? It is still on the uptrend, but there is a strong momentum over here. Okay, momentum. So there is a likely that the price will retrace before it goes up. Okay, there is less most likely there will be a retrace and it will move up. So when we do a sell at lower time frame, we must be aware that the higher time frame is going up. Just in case when we do a short, the price went up, we have to cut loss. And we know the reason why we cut loss because the momentum is up. If you still do not want to have a cut loss, no stop loss, meaning it is a suicidal. So at least as a trader or a navigator, you know where the movement of the price is so that you can take the necessary action. Okay, so now at H1, so what we are looking for, there is a sideway. We are waiting for a reaction over here. Okay, reaction at this area. Okay, at this area. And when there is an arrow or there is a Novak strategy, then we do a sell. Okay, sell. Where is the target? We know that, okay, the target is somewhere here. So it's about 300 pips, around 300 pips. So if you think that, okay, it is dangerous because it is look like going up, but there is a potential of 300 pips movement. So if I were to enter according to a strategy, I risk 100 pips. $100. And if it doesn't turn out to be my direction, I lose $100. Okay, because our stop loss is at 100 pip. But if it were to play to your analysis, you'll be able to make 300 pips or $300. So it is a good risk reward. Okay, but if your account is at $500, I do not advise it because you are risking 20%. Okay, so now what we are looking for is at H1, a price to retrace over here, and we want to see an arrow, okay? Just like this, okay? Just like this, it went up, arrow, then it closed below the line, Tenkan line, then we want to do a sell, just like the scenario over here, okay? If you were to go to M15, if you understand 2 time frame and you understand 3 time frame, you can go to M15 or M5, what you are looking for. Same, you are looking for the Novak strategy, okay? Meaning you are looking for a number, 3 or 4, an arrow, Novak sell arrow, and then you wait for a arrow to enter. Okay, an arrow to enter. So this is what I'll be looking for, and I will be sending some alerts to our members so that they can make a decision and use this analysis as in education purposes. Once again, thank you, and contact admin if you feel that you want to be part of our learning program and for you to be able to learn faster from not only theory but actual live trading setup. Once again, thank you for your time. Bye bye.